So I'm back in the lab making boxes. I made these boxes yesterday. There's another 2-frame box that is up in the storage area right now. But this box right here is going to be my beekeeping toolbox. The hole isn't quite centered, but I don't care. It's for me. I put a hole on both ends, one at the top, one at the bottom of the end piece. And I put the screen on it before I put it together. That way it was easier for me to put it on there. These boxes have a dado cut on the ends, and then a dado cut here for the frames to sit down on. And I made this box a little bit longer than normal to give you a little bit more space at the bottom so the bees can walk under the frames if you use it for that. But the main purpose for this is to carry items for a swarm catch. So just something that I did. I should have recorded it, but I didn't think about it until after I was knee deep. Little issue with this one. This board right here was an old board that I had cut when I first started, and the rest of it's new. So as you can see, the end piece isn't quite right, but I'm just gonna cut this off with the table saw, so shouldn't be an issue. Went ahead and cut a dado in this so that my hive tool will fit. And I'm just going to glue it and staple it on. And that's done. So the next thing I'll do is I will cut the top and bottom and go ahead and attach those. The top piece is going to be attached with hinges. So I went to the store and bought some hinges to attach it. Okay, those are the boards for the top and the bottom. We'll be cutting off excess on the bottom, and I'm gonna maybe leave a little bit on the top portion so that I can create little slots for the frame rack that I also have that I'll be keeping on the top of this box. So far so good. Okay, so I had to finish building the parts that I was building for this box on a different day. It started raining on me, so here's what I've done so far. So I went ahead and attached the spot where the hive tool is gonna sit, and then I added these hinges right here. I also added something to lock it, keep it shut. All right, pull this out, open it up. There you have it. Okay. What I'm currently doing right now is in this spot right here, I'm drilling holes to open it up and be able to put my rack for the frames. I purchased one of those stainless steel frame rests, so when I'm doing my inspections, I'll be able to just take the frame, put it on there, and then it'll give me some space to move the frames around and check out what stuff that I'm doing or what needs to be done in the hive, and you know, just do my inspection. Here's what it looks like on the inside of the box. Right here is the frame rest, and I gave myself, like I said before, a little bit of space in the bottom so that the frames wouldn't actually be resting on the bottom of the box. The next thing I'll be doing after all of this, and taking out the wood right here, I'm going to start adding the straps, so I'll be able to carry the box and have straps to hold certain things in place. I'm going to put a strap here to hold my smoker right here. Let me see. That way it'll pretty much sit up here, and that's that.